Hello, well done guys, after a long time, and I hope you are fine. Can you see this? Can you see this? I'm in Musandam. I arrived yesterday in the evening, and then I halfly slept. Halfly? Is there a word like this? I don't know. I half slept in the car and in the beach. At night it was around 32 degrees, so still a little bit too hot for camping. However, I survived, and I came on purpose yesterday in the evening because I wanted to wake up early in the morning and go snorkeling. And I snorkeled around, I think, 2 hours, and I was so tired later on because the sun came out and it was getting hot.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through. A way to break through. Ooh, 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 ooh. A way to break through.
So now, to cool down, I'm gonna head to the mountains. Apparently the temperature is gonna be around 20 something degrees, so we'll see how true it is. Just wanted to show you that some of the approaches are quite steep, so you wouldn't be able to come here by car. This is not 4x4. Now we are approaching the village of Assi. Let's check this old farm. But someone still takes care of it. Because I see the trees growing. I don't know what kind of tree it is. And it doesn't really have any fruit on the ground. I don't know. There are some old tools here. Now it's the end of summer, so all plants are still very dry. I really cannot wait for winter. It's gonna be all green. For a moment I wanted to stay here camping. My car is down there, but I would bring all the stuff here. But after I saw this lizard, the size of snake, I'm like, no thanks. I think snakes must be here also. And snakes here are poisonous. Like, you can die. So here apparently we have a water tank. And there's quite a lot of water, but it's very old. And this water tank goes all the way here. And even there is a water pump. Wow.
So that was my camping spot that night at the foot of Jebel Khrim, and as you can see at the top of it there are buildings, and this is the army base for Oman, and you can see around very often the army cars going. I camped at this plateau that used to be utilized before for farming, and you still can see the stone buildings around and the stone fences that people surrounded their fields with in order to protect them from probably animals or wind or rain. The wildlife here is completely different than obviously at the bottom of the mountains, because this is quite high. It's around 2000 meters. When the rainfall comes, and I saw it with my own eyes, all As-Say village is covered with water, because basically it's situated in the wadi, so all the rainwater is coming from the top of the mountain throughout the village and then down. During the winter, all those mountains are turning green and grass is growing everywhere. I hope I will be able to show it to you this year.